Hi, my name is Sarah Murillo, and I'm just going to show you around Google Drive. It's a way to share documents to different people that have Gmail accounts, and I think it would be beneficial for teachers to use this with their students because a student can write a paper and the teacher can easily just edit it and send it back to the student. Or if the teacher is sharing a document with the class, students can send her questions over Google Documents. So we're going to go check that out right now. What I'm going to do first is I am going to go to google.com. And remember that you have to have a Gmail account, so that has to be through Google. So I'm logged in, and you can see that where it says Sarah Plus. So what you have to do is you have to go to this little chart-looking thing in the corner right. You go to Drive, and I have obviously used Google Drive a lot. It's a really easy way for me to just open it up on any computer and finish writing my paper. So what we're going to do though is we're going to try out a new document, and you go to New over here, and you can do anything from a slideshow, which is awesome if you don't have PowerPoint downloaded on your computer, or you can create a form. But we're going to do a document because that's what I think a lot of college students use. So it looks a lot like Word, which is very common. All you have to do to change the title, we're going to change the title here. We're going to call it EDT Test because that's what class we're in. It kind of looks just like any really document. You can go up here and change the font. So we're going to do Times New Roman and pretend like we're writing an MLA paper. You can change the size. You can make it aligned. Double space. So I'm going to write my name. Oops, that's not my name. There we go. And you can type in the date, which is the 13th. And it's really easy. It's super easy. You can add bullet points if you are making a list. You can also add pictures right here. You can add a link, footnotes, which is awesome if you're writing a history paper. Yeah, so it's a really easy way to write papers. The nice thing is, the favorite thing for me, even though it's online and you can open it wherever on whatever computer you have, as long as you're connected to the internet, you can also download it to your computer. So I'm going to do that. You can download it as a PDF, Word document. So that's helpful if your professors want you to download all of your papers in a certain document. It's easy to change. You can email it, publish it to the web. You can put it in a folder. That's the really nice thing. I have all of my papers in specific folders for each class, so you can do that. The language, you can change the language that you are typing in. Yeah, so it's really easy to use. Then the best part is sharing. So right now we're in private, but all you have to do is type in an email. So I'm going to type in this person's email, and you can say, this is a test for my class, or whatever you want to say. You can add more than one person too. And the nice thing is you can hit can edit or can comment, or they can just view it. They can just look at it, which as a teacher you might just want to have your students look at it. You might not want them to edit it at all. But if you're a student, you can allow your teacher to edit certain things, underline, put quotes around something, whatever you want. Or working in a group project, that's great as well. Or you can allow the teacher to comment, and that will show up on a sidebar right over here. They will highlight something, and then a comment explaining why they highlighted it, for example. So you can do that. Yeah, so it's a pretty easy, really easy way to write papers and share them, especially for group projects. I know that I find it really easy because I'm doing a slideshow in one of my classes, and I can just share it with all of the other members of my group, and we can work on it together. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you. Yeah, so I hope that you have a great day.